do if I told you that you would inherit $1 million on tomorrow? What if I told you that over $84 trillion will change hands in the next 20 years? Yes, you heard me correctly. This is going to be the biggest shift in wealth in history. And it's just for the ultra rich. This could be any individual impacted, including you. So welcome to the Great Wealth Transfer. You heard it correctly. This is the largest intergenerational wealth transfer that will take place in the history, with trillions passing through inheritance. It's also going to be trust and real estate. With that being said, the impact of this shift will be life-changing for individuals with financial situations, the economy, and the norms that we know today. Who will be benefiting from this? The boomers, the children, primarily millennials, will get this. Millennials, now aged between their late 20s and their early 40s, which includes me, are the primary recipients of this. The Gen Zers, they're emerging, and as this generation enters adulthood, they will also inherit from the aging parents and the grandparents that are moving this wealth concentration. However, most of this transfer will benefit a small percentage of families, intensifying the wealth which in their generational, and this is going to be great for them. So why does this matter now? Well, it matters now because generational priorities, unlike the boomers, millennials and Gen Zers are focused on investing in sustainability, technology, and lifestyle experiences rather than the traditional wealth accumulations in the past. So the market is changing. These wealth transfers, they are expected to reshape the markets like real estate, the stock market, crypto, and also luxury goods. The economy and the challenges that they're going to is going to be a younger generation facing unique hurdles such as high student loans, yes, the rising house costs, which is happening all over the world, and lingering effects of economic downturn like the COVID-19 pandemic that we just experienced in 2020. So financial risk with the wealth transfer will be a mismanagement of inheritance. So studies suggest that nearly 70% of inherited wealth is lost by the second generation, and 90% by the third due to poor financial planning. And of course, the lack of financial literacy, many heirs are unprepared to manage the complexities of taxes or investments. So it's just not working well because we have scammers and fraud that is out there trying to get your wealth inheritance by making recipient targets for scams and poor financial advice. So how to actually prepare for the wealth transfer? Education is key. You have to make sure that you learn to manage sudden wealth through financial literacy programs, also professional advice. Understanding tax implications are going to be a major when it comes to state taxes, inheritance, taxes, how to maximize them legally. So making sure that you are proactively planning for this. Use tools like a living trust, wills, and estate planning to actually safeguard your assets. Set up for substantiability investments, plans to grow wealth for future generations is what you're going to have to do. So making sure you build a team of advisors, of good financial advisors, CPAs, or estate attorneys can actually make a significant difference in all that you're trying to do. So get educated on personal finances, recommending the books, courses, and podcasts as a must. Make sure you see. So again, here are the highlighted dangers of this transfer. So overspending is going to be the top. Lack of financial literacy, poor investments, choices that will happen. So the great wealth transfer is happening now. And it is going to be up to you to decide whether this will be an opportunity or a missed chance. If you want more tips on managing a wealth and building financial independence, hit the like and subscribe button and make sure you comment so we'll know where we need to actually share this video to. So make sure you are actually sharing with someone that needs to hear this. And again, thank you for coming back to the channel.